Okay friends, just open your settings application, then select Bluetooth, then you can select your active connection. In my case is OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z2. Just open that name or that icon. Then you can see here there is phone call option is turned off. Just turn on this one to enable phone calls on your Bluetooth device. Okay, whenever you are using a Bluetooth speaker, then you don't want to listen your calls out on that Bluetooth speaker. You can turn off this one, and also turn off this one when you are using your phone on your car. So you can just attend the calls on your normal mobile speaker or earphones. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.